So I just got done watching this tutorial from Matthias Holmgren. He does really good tutorials on Bitwig, so go ahead and check him out. Okay, so we're here in Bitwig Studio, and following Matthias's instructions, we're selecting the ASIO driver. I'm selecting my Focusrite USB. Add an input bus. I've already done that. It's going to be a mono channel renamed to guitar. In my case, my guitar is plugged into the second channel on my audio interface. That should be good for the settings. We're going to add an audio track. I've done that here. You're going to label that one guitar effects. We're going to turn this track all the way down. This track is going to act as your pedal board, essentially. It's where you're going to be putting all of your effects. Select the input here. You're going to select the input bus that you created earlier. That's right here. So now that's guitar. Make sure that monitoring is always on with this yellow circle. We're going to add another audio track. Label it whatever you want. Lead guitar 1, guitar 1. I ended up adding multiple tracks here, as you can see, but we'll start with one. Go to our guitar track that we've created. Go down here to the input. Point it at your guitar effects pre. Then make sure to select auto monitoring. It's going to fill in yellow when the track is armed. If it's not armed, it'll fill in gray. So now this lead guitar is listening to the effects being generated by this channel here, but we'll be able to hear it live in real time as we monitor it through here. So if you want to make changes to your effects, you go here. So you can see I have a compressor, EQ, distortion, a little bit of a flange. Let's see how some of these guitar effects made my guitar sound here. It's actually the first song I ever recorded using drums, the keyboards, and the guitars. I have the full video on my channel. Click the link in the description to check that out. Show some love if you enjoy the sound. A ton of content on the way, tutorials, music. If that's your style, if that's your vibe, definitely subscribe, definitely hit that like button. I appreciate the love, I appreciate the feedback and constructive criticism.